Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on iPhone to speed up apps. So let's begin. First head to settings. After heading to settings, scroll down and then go to general. After that, go to iPhone storage. Now from iPhone storage, you will need to select the app you want to clear. Now let's select an app for us. So I'm going to select this app. Now make sure that you are clicking offload app. After clicking on offload app, the app will be offloaded from your phone, including the cache of the application. Then if you click on reinstall app, the app will be reinstalled, but the cache will not be reinstalled into the phone. However, your documents and data from the application will not be deleted, so don't worry about losing your data. However, if you also want to clear data of the application, you can just simply uninstall and reinstall the application. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.